Hi guys, in this one I'm going to go over the Invisibility Blimp Lalo. So this one's going to use the blimp with the super archers or super minions, whatever you want to include in it, with the invisibility, clone, and rage. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the army for this one. So the army for this is going to be your king, your warden, and your queen, 3 hounds, 18 balloons, 1 ice golem, 1 super wall breaker, 2 baby dragons, 18 minions, 1 archer, 2 clone, 1 rage, 3 invisibility, 2 invisibility in your clan castle, your blimp, 2 super archers, and then a super wizard. So you have 3 parts. You have the blimp part where you're taking out a big chunk of the base, then you use your king and queen to get rid of the enemy heroes, and then you follow up with the rest, but with the Lalo. Right, so let's go ahead and get to an example. So the first thing you want to do is decide where you're going to do your heroes and your blimp. So we have both of these heroes next to each other, so we don't want to blimp this angle. We have a bunch of defenses around here, so we want to blimp here. So again, for how you want to do this is you want to place the hound and then the blimp right after, so the hound tanks for the blimp, so the blimp can get far. If you did not do this, the blimp would have been defeated with those seeking air mines. Then you place the then you do an invisibility, then manual blimp drop, then rage 2 clones, then the rest of the invisibility to get an effect like this. Alright, after that you want to go ahead and use your heroes to get the enemy heroes taken care of. So we're just going to place the king and the queen, the super wall breaker, and then just wait until the king gets near and pop his ability to go ahead and have him go ahead and get both the queen and warden. After that, you want to start your Lalo, where you're going to go from here and end over here. So place 1 hound, the balloons right after, then the warden, then the second hound, then minions behind. And since you don't have any haste, you mostly watch. With this strategy, you want to make sure you have most, if not all, the splash defenses down with the first 2 steps. You don't want to leave any up, because if you leave them up, they will be able to take it out on your balloons. Alright, and we'll just wait for the attack to finish. You can use the ice golem to help deal with any remaining splash defenses, however, you should only have 1 left or not at all by this point. Alright, that'll be it for this one.